How to change language on SafePal application. Are you guys personally to change language in SafePal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change the language in SafePal, open the SafePal app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now tap on your profile icon or go to settings from the main screen. Scroll down and tap on language. You will see a list of available languages. Just tap on the one you prefer, like English or Chinese. This app will instantly switch your selected language, and all menus and features will be updated automatically. Changing the language won't affect your wallet or assets. It simply makes the app easier to use in a native tongue. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you can change language on SafePal. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.